You are listening to First Metro Securities Philippine Stock Market Weekly podcast, where we feature timely and relevant discussions on the Philippine stock market and the economy in the hope of providing you investing and trading guidance. Here's your host.
You are listening to Philippine Stock Market Weekly's Market Bites, our mini-series which strives to deliver trading and investing analysis built on our research reports. For in-depth information, you may also log in to your FirstMetroSec account and head to the Research tab.
Hi investors! This is Anjz from FirstMetro Securities. In this episode of Market Bites, let me share with you our latest company update on Wilcon Depot Inc. or Wilcon. We are reiterating our buy call on Wilcon with target price maintained at 9 pesos. The stock is among our top picks for the next 12 months based on the following factors. First, following its recent removal from the PSEI and MSCI indices, Wilcon's share price has staged a healthy rebound of nearly 36% since bottoming in April. With the index-related overhang now behind us, we believe the stock is poised for a re-rating as earnings recovery comes into focus. Second, while 2Q performance may remain soft due to fewer operating days, you have the Holy Week in April and election season in May. A recovery is anticipated in the second half of this year. With earnings likely to bottom out in 1H25, the counter is now poised to stabilize and build a base. Furthermore, on tariff impact, as Wilcon is not in the business of exporting, it remains largely unaffected by the recently imposed reciprocal tariffs. While the influx of lower-cost imports from China continues, the company remains committed to offering higher-quality products, emphasizing value over simply competing on price. Despite shifting trade dynamics and increased access to more affordable supplies, management noted that the company continues to benefit from favorable pricing, even without the need for active negotiations. For more details, you can view our recent company report on Wilcon. Simply log in to your FirstMetroSec My or Pro account, head on to the Research tab, click on FirstMetroSec, navigate to All Reports. Under All Types, select Company Report, and you will be able to see our updated report as of June 2025. You can also access our company report through our mobile app, FirstMetroSec Go. On the bottom part of the screen, tap on Stock, search for Wilcon. Instead of Quick Quote, choose Research. Then under FirstMetroSec, you will see our updated report as of June 2025. Again, that's a buy call for Wilcon at 9 pesos target price. And that's it for today's podcast. Make sure to follow us on our socials for more updates. That's First Metro Securities for both our Facebook and Instagram pages. Thanks for tuning in. Hope this has been helpful.
Thanks for listening to First Metro Securities Philippine Stock Market Weekly podcast. Don't forget to follow us to get first dibs on our new episodes. For more up-to-date market news and info, exclusive content, and the opportunity to connect with your fellow Filipino investors and traders, join facebook.com/groups/FirstMetroSec and be part of the First MetroSec family.
Hello? Hello?
Podcast Network Asia.
First MetroSec is providing this podcast as a general market commentary. Reference to any specific security, product, or entity do not constitute as an offer or a solicitation of an offer to buy or sell any financial instruments or to participate in any particular trading strategy. The statements, comments, views, or opinions expressed by the hosts are subject to change without notice, and First MetroSec is under no obligation to update, amend, change, or correct any of the statements, comments, views, or opinions expressed. The statements, comments, views, and opinions expressed by the guests are their own and do not necessarily reflect the view of First MetroSec. First MetroSec disclaims any liability arising from reliance on or reference to any information obtained in this podcast.
The views and opinions expressed by the podcast creators, hosts, and guests do not necessarily reflect the official policy and position of Podcast Network Asia, the hosts of the program, or other programs of the network. Any content provided by the people on the podcast are of their own opinion and are not intended to malign any religion, ethnic group, club, organization, company, individual, or anyone or anything.